What's gonna be the birds feeding the dogs?
Pretty much. This is us with takeout food. Typical meal. Doesn't matter what we have. Then, let's see. They throw it down to the dogs, who are waiting patiently for it.
Right here, to the left.
Sticks here too? Oh, that's my right. It's okay though.
She's gonna drop right now.
To your left. Where'd Starburst go?
He's back if you want to videotape it, babe.
Oh, no.
Where did he go?
He's behind me, dang.
Right here, look. On Sadie's back.
Can't eat a meal without the birds. Oh, there he is. Coming back. Well, you can't leave him.
Oh.
Okay, I won't videotape you. I don't know where Sticks is. I guess she's tired.
She just wants German food.
Yeah. Sugar's not in on this. Poor thing can't fly, so she's kind of stuck where she is. But these guys, they can make it to us. Or Starburst can't fly, but he still manages to get around everywhere he wants, huh? I'm not going to videotape him anymore. That's our dog Kirby. She's like a little Kirby vacuum cleaner. Goes around and sucks everything up.
She's about to drop another piece for the dog.
There we go. Ooh, Sadie was quicker.
Kirby has food on her back.
So does Sadie.
If you watch her though, she chews it for a minute and then she'll throw it down for the dogs on purpose, and she watches the dogs.
Anyway, the birds don't much like us eating. They like to just pull it apart
Watch.
and throw it.
About 5 seconds. Watch. 2.
Well, she seems to be enjoying it. She's actually eating hers.
5.
Oh, there it goes.
Sadie knows where to sit.
Anyway, a typical meal for us. We have, well, this is takeout, so our plate is a plastic wrap or paper wrap or whatever. When we eat food from the house, they're running around on our plates. And they still throw it to the dogs.